Part 9. Surely other people would be evacuating. Unless they were all obeying the second message. I did another Google search. No results popped up. I refreshed over and over again. Wouldn't something be on the internet by now? We were 5 miles out of town now. I should be relieved. But I wasn't. I leaned against the window. The cold glass pressed against my forehead. The pine trees flashed by, skinny and tilted, then gave way to a charred barren patch of forest. Fires and regrowth were part of the cycle here. Part of the ecosystem, like a phoenix.